It's a TikTok app as well. There's one Ghanaian on a say, oh, your birthday promoter, and I say, oh, your birthday wisher.
Today is your birthday. You have last one. Today, them born you. Happy birthday. Take care. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Take care. Never get you.
Senyame eboa na wa woda eduru na upobi amuna promote obo ho dawro e de ama anase eda no duru a obeye video e de project to the world ama wiase nyina hu se enen so e wa woda se adwumadin eno ye ni din e de Charles Oduro Amankwa a media so di num na eye Kaly Kaly na we say kire mu a Kaly Kaly birthday wishes ni sensem ya na wakotwe one lady bi e de ife no Jelani Aparo wakotwe na di ama ho sensem no abaye daja on the internet. Omo chat eliki ama voice note na ne mu Kaly Kaly bo for pile ama odige ya tem in a voice note tan ama get so aba share ne side of the story na mo how no ask me host met me was edwudwa bibia mu amwata se mesere wa se obe mi subscribe button so na any day kwan so obe click verification icon for latest update na be chere wa adwen e wo comment section fanala SNSK if USA any week ebra Ghana any other African country bi aso na omunchel $20 for free abra offer me promo code Penyah TV area cedis. Twe app no eto our phone so through Apple Store any Google Play Store and first can come agent bia so mun send the one cause twe app no never cedis ebra fie na yansa charge $20 for free. Now let's go to the story. Oko media na so especially TikTok, there's one particular guy and the day anka said the one no Charles Oduro Amankwa. But media no so the idea di name no Kaly Kaly because okoye Kalypo video bi I don't know any Kaly Kalypo no ene no trend ne ene okofa edin Kaly Kaly no to no so as idea di name TikTok Kaly Kaly as in type of video and now no the type of content o create birthday wishes senyame wadom na wa woda duru ho no obetimi a chat no na wa send bia o picture o pese o de birthday post ni ema no what they are saying on the dia no bo obaji go bitime tua de say obeye birthday video no ato e de atwa say e da na e wa woda eduru a na na obe posti our numbers into no obe trend obe go viral e be one for so hu say ene obenten anase ene kwabona ne ene kwabota the birthday
Today is your birthday. You have last one. Today, them born you. Happy birthday. Take care. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Take care. Never get you. I wish you long like a prosperity. I wish you long like a prosperity. All friends, family invited. I beg, please don't be let up because celebrate you.
Now, so when you have media, and so I know who you may be, Anna Odi. As in energy in the video, the energy pa, and because of that, an amount for energy and style of content, no, because a bit more do than a patronizing. Oh, baby, now when you DM every blessed day, I'm make a cry and say, Kofi FS, Eko Buki, na Kofi Mane Breya and Casa.
Kofi FS best, we can drink that. Kofi FS best, we can drink that. +1 today. Today is your birthday, you are +1 today. Today be the day them born you, we go celebrate. Jubilate, some champagne, but today celebrate. Jubilate, some champagne, but today Kofi FS.
Kofi FS Ebuki no. Kaly Kaly adwuma no ye wie ye wa posti a trendy. Kofi FS wo there be Kaly Kaly there be video we no one sere no assignment sika foforo na Kaly Kaly akoya another video or edba osuo Kaly Kaly video we no one share Ghana Jesse koya bo program ni nye ho same time tomorrow no assignment sika foforo no akoya video foforo was Kaly Kaly the video we ni there ase energy ni too mad on me ko na
Kaly Kaly yo see. Let you go, guys. Let you go. When he came to Paul, Kaly Kaly spelled Paul's name Paul. But by me some quantity on spelling me ding, right? Kaly Kaly. In the next one, I want you to spell my name. Same thing. Just me pe start why you Paul the NB. Same thing, please. With more energy, guys. So same time today, we go again.
Kira say Obere Kofi FS and son Emma media so one say Kofi o kire o eye na say July ni mo mi hu video kwa July be 14th oye video ma Kofi FS ma July nyina akwa awie chese na July ni nyina ye Kofi birthday na July ni nyina ye Kofi FS birthday Emma finally no or the area no the way kwara sa amanfo eno klasa be bokwa kese ama amanfo bi na ehu no o we ya na one lady be friend offer also only Ghana ha o amanane o ka say one year o person obuki Kaly Kaly obuki no from now to December what is kind ready o person obuki free August e ro mi sa kosi December e bo ne say one ka obetua obuki ni na
Kaly Kaly, I want to know if I can book my birthday from now to December 11th. It's in December, but I want to book now. Hear the songs from now to December 11th. I want to hear oh fair, plus one in December, it's your birthday, it's possible.
what does it na say Kaly Kaly enu nyam no abam na e ba se oje 900 cedis per wish se o pese ukọ na odu picture command na obey dura o post you na say oje 900 cedis anu be intervention so na okwa no oje 1000 cedis cause omom ko ni DM no ekubisa ansa na esi awoje so ka so oje 1000 after the encounter with Kofi Efes no or to board move from 900 cedis to 1000 cedis as na amount for still be patronize no enu achi enu ko interview okopie mu kwakuado live stream so ena okotire nsem na ho no enu ko itu esi akwa ne bo no watum or they go 2000 cedis or they go 2k
na say wa sha range sena ya fan so bi show sisi a oh Kaly Kaly pesa wo shime 2k I was in the panel in range it's go down
2k no from that
2000
easy boy
today be the day born you
no Jimmy Gina want me wo so boy
Karama de bia na kunta kwa de bia me stand bon but one ko audition so almost in 2000
who am for me to my chair me book
2000 and 2000 normal 2000 normal
no picture
see the normal amount you need to fixed price Can you tear top? No, me minima de kudia o come on. Can you tear top for me? Can you tear top? What's up on my idea? This ganso. Copy bibra. Enya na e ba be hu. E hu mo bro, Charlie. You understand? Honestly,
Emma 2k no ka say na birthday wish e ya nra chie o enu achie ana wo de ba 1000 wo de ba 1000 na wo twe maaye o sa de ko 2000 de ebe etre ebi mo e ka say na birthday keke na 2000 de se ne ka ya be ya de
Famous Ghanaian YouTuber Kaly Kaly is charging 2,000 Ghana cedis to wish you a happy birthday. If I pay you this 2,000 Ghana cedis, what will I continue for the rest of the month? Hey, we beg.
Kaly Kaly, what is it that I'm hearing? When you started this birthday thing, you started with 900 cedis. We thought that was cool. And then you moved it to 1,000 cedis. That's 1k. And yes, you would be fun as 100 cedis addition there. It wouldn't spoil a thing. Now you've what? You've shot it up astronomically to 2,000 cedis. So that's 100% increment. Massa, yesterday you.
it ne bi kwa etu say there be say interview ni say wo ye na eni say what can because I don't know what can o be ya manfo ahi
when wa sha say ejimu me kan no kranche no Kaly Kaly me pe wasem because nansia onam kumase edem ko hia o China mo nansia onam kumase a nyamya dom wa bie favor bia to so a Ghana fo sha se be pe wasem a o mo frɛ e ma wo to eye birthday songs ma mo no Kaly Kaly man kan no kranche o ja jimie no when your opportunity akokwa do show so a enye ho na akoka se meji 2000 meye video a meji 3000 meye video a meji 2000 ye o TikTok ese o mo Ghana ha o mo charge more than the oje no o mo ba odi emu pe nanim de oje o mo ba odi emu se ye video mo no o mo pe e na wo so mu hu de wo charge enti Nyankopon abie kwan ama ana se Nyankopon abie opportunity ama Ghana for pepe wasem no na so akokwa do show so a Kaly Kaly enti e ho e na akoka se meji 2000 hey Kobisa afua nya show se hwan okọ Zion Felix show so o kan say a day bi o spend 5,000 asema gay kan e no na abọ no form a enne yente afua nya ni di biem enti enne na do so no use this opportunity na fa build ho
this is obia share the experience now it was on 28th of July 2026 ya free mo abira August mo no na one lady be friend Jelani Apparel ekowura Kaly Kaly inbox e wa TikTok is on e can have encounter next okoye no na on ni ko di nkomo e fa birthday wish bia video person oye edema no to oko chat no that's oh now no person anka oye birthday post e ma ne friend bi because Jelani no oni Ghana ha no mo or amana or USA dinga obesre video ama ne friend bi an birthday ebeba enchi bi anka beba anu ko dinga no say ebo ne yes and I oh 1,000 I say hey my bro you've increased your price me power chow tesoma me I say oh unya mesre wa o de yisu kakra bi ema no that 28th no Kaly Kaly an reply because on we busy person the boy na ma obetime to untimi a you go away unya infinity ade chi 29th no ahomachi be 12:48 a.m. Anna Jelani as I send another follow-up message. And I say, hello, I need a video for August 2nd. Where can I make payment? I say, me say video me here video no 2nd August because any 29th. Me say me ebe did to there. A company for so a trace can amount. Unya answer reply the whole of 29th no. One reply it ade chin and any week Pepe Thursday and 30th July no. Anna July ni esa send another message. It be say will it be possible? If it's possible, Anna. Birthday post and person mama no. Ubenya ho, Anna say unya ho. O make it Thursday, 5:37 a.m. About 6:07. Anna Kaly Kaly. I reply as oh, possible. Meet me ayama. Anna did the number. Any momo. Din was for or the account as oh send there. Din way ebeba. Din Charles Oduru Amankwa. As MTN. Or payment no. Emma Ozumi chat you could see say oye din ba Charles Oduru Amankwa do aye little grassy but you could see say payment delivered no edin wom Ozumi a Charles Oduru Amankwa mobile number and was say come oye no send the girl on the picture no person or use for the birthday post na the birthday wish no or send the picture no eka ho and okay say her name is Monica August 2nd please no delay picture ni din ede Monica Mr. Wada date na August 2nd in delay me Mr. Eno say busa say obi ho fro abe book ni say ye video ma that same girl ana unua an reply Anna Jelani esa twato at was okay the name it was sent from should be Jessica aka say sikara me send man case bia unhu ya me send is kan din ebeba be say obenya ese you've received 1,000 cedis from Jessica Emwana Kaly Kaly ever reply like as okay sin you hear from me like Kaly Kaly say okay who sika no was say hu ni ba ko ni picture no it any on twen obete nenka tina Jelani apparel eto a or twen say ne friend birthday ye Monica edin on the TikTok the Real Money Montana in the page any the Real Money Montana that lady we and not ne friend Jelani apparel a person or requested birthday wish video for and I say edidi ho koma and ade chen the 1st of August 2026 Saturday twam last week na ade be chen 2nd ama birthday day no aduru no Jelani ekwa chat Kaly Kaly say I am back hello I am back unua an reply no one reply na say anadwo 10:44 p.m. unua an reply na say okwa sinu say Mr. Wada eda ne ye china video no aye ready and enye ready Mr. Efi na na dwe ko say de be chene ka bo ho so na eye ne petupa ema me but unua an reply no and ade chi Sunday no ana Jelani ekwa tina Kaly Kaly TikTok page so ahomachi 12 a.m. pepe yewura Sunday mu 12 a.m. and okwa tina the page no refresh say obe refresh to the point say bia unua post video na obe hu say video ni ya post no to refresh na aba no past 6 ogusu na about 7 na about 8 na about 9 10 11 12 na say ache eda no mu no still was okay 12 the ewom say ade ache but ye ko ba bia bia video no onam kwan so o post it ma mentwen no na order so TikTok page what refresh ya na ko just there be 3 there ye ko bi dodo akwade ya atweme di ma menkwa chat no e na ko chat Kaly Kaly and I try say boss please I have paid my money what is the update on my video please it's today unua reply say boss unua me tria ka ura fia na me Jelani apparel me na me send Monica a video a picture ma say your birthday post e ma no me say to 10 million amount e da ne ye na ma twen about 3:26 p.m. me nti wonka e dey asem na koso unua reply no and about 9:38 p.m. that day Sunday na or such as a hello I didn't get my video and you have started posting 3rd August because that day na that na ohun say Kaly Kaly a post obi birthday post ya na eno cry the next day which is Monday week year month and Thursday the Monday night by and I say why didn't I make you post am obi a eno no da ho air train 3rd August me say we dey there why nye media na ma but me what post obi video here 3rd August e dey asemwa unua an reply no it was Tuesday and who say Kaly Kaly am make you post ama with picture now or send man no Kaly Kaly e dey make you post I say ohore e din I was so e Money Montana but me wa a din on so ba Kaly Kaly and say a din e Monica but it the same picture and was our chat no say cratchy me who say what make you post be so someone else paid you for the same person and you did their video instead you are a scammer give me my money back I say na say me video na me tua o ka say that same person your friend Monica na me have video no on the 2nd of August in there one yet but obi foforo etua usika for that same lady akaza on your friend no Money Montana and on their why they the crash yes scammer for me sika na mama what you made because be a payment no 29th July 5 days back one yet I'm can say me here video no on the 2nd of August one yet the crash for me sika na mama Tuesday no arechi Wednesday ahomachi ana Kaly Kaly ever reply and I say what's all this nonsense and I say how is it nonsense? No, Joe. I paid for a birthday shout out. I get second. And you didn't do my video. Scroll in the messages I sent you my 1,000 cedis. Now you are lie. You so stupid and disgraceful being. Check my page. I done it already. Long time and posted it. I need to see you. Go check me page here. Video now can my video no. And you come page I call her. Anna. Jelani Apparel echo that video no ase and go comment say na bo where did you get Monica Montana from? I told you her name is Monica. So obviously that video is not the video I patronize you for. That's dia me de ma o me ba odi am catch you say friend pa call Monica. It wo Money Montana na odi video ukunya na hefa. It means a video we no enya me media na. And for sure chatam reach no edi o catch Monica wan ka Money Montana bi anchire Kaly Kaly. The more confusion by Sena Sunday na a birthday no 2nd August no. There's one lady on so US and the Eddie B echo chat Kaly Kaly. And as me person be bookie birthday wish Emma Obi. Can I make payment? And no send the number account home. Why should I make payment? Kaly Kaly or Kaly Kaly answer peke. And I dey money that Monday no. Girl no say we try say hello you never responded. And Kaly Kaly reply say when is the celebration? I guess it was yesterday. And Kaly Kaly asked, and why now you want to pay? And I said, no, I contacted you yesterday. You missed it. I am just letting you know you never responded. I was okay. I said, if you pay, can't work today unless tomorrow. Are you okay for that? And Kaly Kaly actually say, what you can cry and Monday na Monday, you know, mean to me posting my on it. Make my posting a day Tuesday. Oh, yeah, okay. And again, I can say, okay, make it today ASAP because the birthday passed. It was yesterday. And I can say, make person can we are the enema intend because baby the etwam nenka yenra Monday enra Sunday but etwam but oh they made me trust can amount. Now I and that lady no so no etu that lady no and I catch that Kaly Kaly say your friend no Money Montana but I was saying the same picture. It's the same picture no. Kaly Kaly doing say bia that girl na on the chat TikTok no on one na sabe chat no ewo WhatsApp asabe another payment let's say video back or thing or you say in papa kuna na be double payment bia we try for amanaton kan so onim say different ladies two people two friends and wish birthday make birthday wish for their friend Monica and I say Money Montana or USA nanka omo da surprise no on their day na say last person video no I'll call make request Monday no and no na Kaly Kaly post no Tuesday no but Jelani Apparel every day no make otuaka even as far back as July 29th kra no Kaly Kaly anya that video no there's in you know I make it 2 wish for one person using that same picture Kaly Kaly anya baako wanya baako enti anam so Emma Jelani echo Kaly Kaly WhatsApp account when you say everyone waited the whole day for the video and didn't get it then you moved on. You know you had an argument about this video and you know it wasn't me. So why are you acting like we were together? We paid for 2 separate videos, 1,000 cedis each. You never said one is 2,000 cedis. So you know you are wrong. Because I said recently over charge 2,000. One change over 2,000. Obi aba also budget 1,000. And nipa mienu abetua nipa baako a post using the same picture. And why one post. Obi I ko we did Money Montana and amount. Where the Monica in actual sense Monica video one yet because date or the man no a pa ho abra no didn't carry payment crowd days before one yet is enka after let na friend bi no ama be chase ka for the anka video no ka wa amakra it ye bi no video and we ye na se mon Jelani de ne de Kaly Kaly anye and am so ma Jelani e be drop video e wa TikTok rounds or chire ensemu Kaly Kaly ko hu ye ne buafu mabusia wakọ Jelani e wa sa account so na we e the recording na okoye e de ma no
ye mistake me form di pa me na me tia na so me form di na so we yanse ni utiri munya mfie wo utiri maminti on the okoye unya hwimfiri mo so na they are giving me the money am cry still na I can't even count the money me so me jinko for djuma orders me beye udo unu mi ni petu na ba ba ko dia ya djuma odi na anya djuma you have bad luck ho mpa de panti de bia ne papa be botu aguza wo osan kwa wo hye ntinya mam wo test me kura e wo ho so mi hu messages agin fie wo utiri mu nti o message kan hunu na o nua ba second dey no no matima polish ni video ama no o de ne mantimi anya ama ho adunfi
ama media no so we abaya asem sebe Kaly Kaly sa about TikTok and about life e mo be kasa be chire sem se let ni person pulling it down o ntimi emfa ne ma form na wo mo kasa ne wish no e boarding no until so no or reply o mo nyina akeka na adwen na say we say we any ade a e cost between Kaly Kaly, the birthday wisher, and I say the birthday promoter, or ne Jelani Apparel. And I'll come make you birthday wish video for a friend on 2nd August 2026. But Kaly Kaly by all standard, actually Jelani Eddie. I'm a no. I'll be at the jar. Also, better actually why you Eddie Mame. Omumi no why and I am from so. Is it Jelani know they are saying about TikTok in the son? And I say Kaly Kaly and I am from so. Be the judge. Natural wage mame e wo comment section ho no mo. Hi Penyah Media. Agra.